Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to give you the answer to this question, that is, how does TD Bank Zelle work? So the TD Bank utilizes Zelle service for person to person money transfers, and here is how it works. First of all, we need to understand the requirements. So you need to have a TD Bank's checking account or money market account. Then you need to enroll in TD Bank online with a US address, mobile number, and email address. Your TD Bank account must be active and allow ACH transactions and online banking transfers. For quick transfers, a TD Bank Visa debit card is required. Now, in order to use Zelle, what you can do is you can simply use it in order to send money and in order to receive money. So in order to send money, you need to access the TD Bank's online banking or the mobile banking app. Then you need to look for the Zelle option. Then you need to choose a recipient by entering their mobile number, their email address enrolled with Zelle. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to send, review the details and confirm the transfer. Similarly, with the help of TD Bank's Zelle service, you will be able to easily receive money. So the recipient gets a notification from Zelle about the incoming transfer. So they will follow the instructions to accept the money into their enrolled account. Here, some of the key points that you need to understand. The first is Zelle transfers are typically free for TD customers. Money can be received within minutes if both parties are enrolled. Otherwise, it may take up to 1 to 3 business days for the recipients to enroll. You can also request money from someone through Zelle. So these are some of the things that could help you to understand how does the TD Bank's Zelle system work. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.